Chill, just focus, dude.
Right in. Dismount on the...
They're pulling out southeast right now?
Yep, they're pulling out southeast already.
Try to catch him.
Yeah,
No,
we got him here.
they're
In the choke,
turning,
They're engaging.
Alright, counter engagement. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything southeast.
Everything southeast, boys. Everything southeast. They can't even get away from this. They can't get away.
Delete the follower. Now back.
Keep hitting it. Actually.
Back up.
Back up now.
Come down and spread. Don't only be up there. Come down and spread. Get
boys, you need to come a little bit more.
Some space. Pop your food.
Bump on the other
And then
side.
come down a bit. We're spreading. They're looking to engage.
No. Back up.
Go away from the mage. Then we're gonna counter engage. It's 3, 2, 1. Everything on the mage.
Destroy these tanks.
Delete the front. Good.
Nice.
Now walk down. That was a lot of damage. Walk down. Get room. Spread.
No. Back up to your counter engage.
Come to the west. We're not pushing into them. We're just getting space. Get space. Come down off the fucking platform.
Get off the tower.
Get off the platform and come down and spread. Look, they're engaged from the west here. Spread.
Here they come.
Yeah. We're gonna go eastern. They're gonna here there. Spread. Defense right now. They're engaging. We're gonna go eastern. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything east. Hit the front. Hit the shoot.
They're all stuck. It's huge. They can't no escape. Keep running it. Run it over. Keep running it over. And back up and spread. Now we have a good position. We have good position here, Waves.
Let's wrap this. Friends, calm down. Let me go. We're holding. Come south. You guys are on the platform again. Stop being fucking pussies.